Are you ready to unlock the cheat codes to level Earth? Then keep watching. I'm Kamil Ravin, and in this video, we're going to take a journey to a place within you that on some level you have always known, but just forgotten for a while. Have you ever felt like your own worst enemy, knowing there's more to life, there's more possible for you, but you just can't seem to get out of your own way? Me too. And over the years of working on myself, going within, I discovered something that changed everything for me. In order to explain this, I'm going to use an analogy of a video game. Some of you watching may have some experience of playing video games. I did a lot when I was younger and got really good at it. And video games are challenging. They have levels, they get more difficult. But if you put your focus into it, you can continue to beat the game and have so much fun. Yet when it came to the game of life, I just couldn't quite seem to have the same level of success. Why was that? For me, I definitely wasn't playing the game of life in the same way I was playing the video game. In the video game, I would play full out, I would take risks, I would fail and fail, but keep going, and I never really feared for the character I was playing with. In a nutshell, I was free and uninhibited. So why couldn't I approach life in the same way? Let's use Mario as an example. If I'm playing a game of Mario, I'm not identified with Mario, right? I just see him as a character I'm playing, and as a result, I don't identify with any insecurities, fear, doubts, or perceived limitations Mario may have. So playing full out becomes a lot easier, as he's just a character that I'm playing. What if it is similar in our own lives? What if we are playing a character that we've become too identified with, and as a result, begun to limit ourselves? It is the identification with our perceived limitations that creates the illusion of limitation. I'm going to say that again. It is the identification with our perceived limitations that creates the illusion of limitation. Beginning to disidentify is a bit like getting a bird's eye view of ourselves, where we have the game controller and we're playing in third person. Can you visualize that? This is a bit like when you unlock the cheat codes in a game and your character is no longer limited because you've stopped identifying with that character and can just navigate yourself with more agency. From this place, things do seem like more of a game. It becomes play, a world full of possibility and adventure where you get to explore, create, and try things. When we start to wake up to seeing that this world can be like a game, a matrix, things become less serious and we become more free because we aren't taking ourselves too seriously. The best example I can give you here is the difference between dreaming and lucid dreaming. When you realize in a dream that you're dreaming, what happens? You become limitless. You start doing everything that you've wanted to do and you have so much fun. There is an awakening that happens. This is what I'm trying to get at. This world, this life, it's a bit like a dream, but the majority of us don't realize we are dreaming, which is why we become so limited, so inhibited, and dulled down. It's time to wake up. It's time to start dreaming lucid and see that the character you're playing doesn't have the limitations that you think it does. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, what you got from it. Please leave a comment below, and if you found value in this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I love you all.